Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you something a bit different since it is Halloween, so hope you enjoy. So today I am making a new recipe of mine, which I call pumpkin fishbowl. Since it's Halloween I am starting off by making my pumpkin look all nice. Abracadabra, what you guys think? For this recipe we will start with the batter. Flour 200 grams, a pinch or 2 of salt, yeast 10 grams, water or milk 250 ml. Sift the flour and salt into a container, mix the yeast and a bit of water, make a well in the flour, add the yeast and your water or milk, gradually mix the flour and beat till smooth. Let it rest for at least 1 hour before using. One stroke 4 of flour, 30 grams parsley and spring onion, 200 grams potatoes, pumpkins 150 grams carrot, mix baby plum tomatoes, 1 large egg, 3 medium-sized mackerel, 1 tablespoon mix herb, paprika, and mix spices. Boil the pumpkin, fish, carrot, and potatoes. In a bowl mix the pumpkin, potatoes and mash them together till smooth. Add the spices, fish and carrots. Add the egg and infuse the mix well. When that is done, add the parsley and green onion, and let it rest for about 30 minutes, just so the different ingredients become friends. Divide the mix into smaller chunks of your desired size. The added cheese is optional. To cook it, I am using a deep fryer. However, it is not necessary. You can use a frying pan as well, so use your preferred method. As you can see here, I dipped my balls in the batter, but have also fried some without the batter, and they are equally delicious. The plum tomatoes were also dipped into the batter. If you're a fan of tomatoes, this is a must-try. The fish balls were so crispy outside and nice and chewy inside, the perfect combination. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you next time.